The old exhaust for the Porsche 911 is beyond repair, so I'm going to use an angle grinder and cut it in half, and let's see what's inside it. Well, one thing that can certainly be said for the 911 exhaust system, the muffler, is that it is pretty damn thick metal, which is a really good sign. So it's not, even when you've got what looks like corrosion in the seams, it is actually pretty solid. Slightly different plan of attack. I'm going to take a cut across the seam here so we can actually see how the seam is put together. You can actually see the thickness of that seam there. One thing you can see here, even where I've cut the outer piece out, there's still an inner skin of the box. So you have this double layer. It also gives you a chance to see what's inside there. You can see again, one thing I'm seeing is that this is pretty well built. You can see in here the baffles that are within the exhaust system, and you can also see here the strength of the metal and the thickness of the metal you've got. So you've got a double skin all the way round, and yeah, those two layers, although the outside and some of the inside may be a little bit corroded, the actual thickness there is pretty substantial, so that was not going to be blowing on the side.